Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the magnifier on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down this page, you want to select the ease of access tile. And then on the left panel, you want to select magnifier. And where it says turn on magnifier, click inside there to turn it to the on position. And you can see the shortcut combination for the Windows and the plus key to turn it on, and as well as the Windows and the escape key to turn off magnifier. And you can change the zoom level by clicking up or down there basically. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.